Hello, Kino Frankie here, ready to talk a little bit about this thing we call an AI dream generator. First, set your genre settings. I like to stick with the anime ones. Now, the first rule of this little AI generator thing here is to think about what exactly you want to make. After all, you cannot begin to have a vision of your dreams until you first think about what they are. Let's say you wish to go to a place with someone to see a green sky. Let's see here. I'll type in Aurora Borealis. If you wish to see it with someone, please first type a description of their appearance. Let's see. Guy and girl with ponytail looking up at a night sky full of stars with Aurora Borealis. Looks like Iceland to me. Haven't gone there in a few years, but it isn't too hard to go back, in my opinion. That said, ponytails are quite common, and since I wish to honor Makoto Shinkai, the director behind Kimi no Na, I'm going to add a personal touch too here in Microsoft Word. Let's see here. YMT, the bravest woman I know who saved me from day one and passed me a sticky note like a red ribbon. Still, I am just one man, so my opinion is no better than anyone else's. After all, it is the woman I love's bravery that saved me and gave me the strength to do any of this. I just cry a lot, to be honest. Still, I feel though, whether you are a guy or girl sitting on a large storybook of pages that is your life, it is important to know that at some point you will have to choose for yourself who that person is by being brave and passing a sticky note. Well, I can never be that brave, so I feel I must at least be brave enough to trust in the power of friendship. After all, the only dream better than the one shared by the one you love is one shared with her and the friends you made along the way. And plus, girl I love who I know is watching this, you know how I am in real life. I'm way too nervous when I talk to you. I even forget my water bottle every time because I get lost in your eyes and forget where I am. So I will definitely need help doing that with friends. For all my friends, though, if you need help with anything, please send me a text or email for now. Kino Frankie, out.